know who Dr. Death was?
Dr. Death?
Dr. Steve, or he died today.
Who's that?
He's only 54 years old.
Who the hell is that? Oh, hell no. Hell no. She's got my cover for this thing. Lexi, put it down. Lexi, drop it! Oh, this fucking dumb dog.
Lexi. 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 Lexi.
Drop it! Drop it!
Lexi.
Drop it! Fucking dumb dog.
Lexi.
Lexi? Check that stupid dog. Look at her go. Look at her go. Look at her go. Ow! Fucker. Dog's a dick. Oh, now you want to play, huh? Yeah. Oh! I got you trapped between my legs, don't I? Oh. Ow! Ow. Cut it out. Oh, she bit the back of my heel. Fucker. Yeah, breathing hard, huh?